Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll learn the answers for all the 1 mark questions from chapter 2 motion of class 9 science. First part, choose the correct answer. The area under velocity time graph represents the கிராஃப்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். y ஆக்சிஸில் வெலாசிட்டி, x ஆக்சிஸில் டைமு. ஸோ இப்போ இது ஒரு கர்வ் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் below the or under velocity time graph, this area represents displacement. So option B is the right answer. Next, question number 2. Which one of the following is most likely not a case of uniform circular motion? Not a case of uniform circular motion. Motion of a racing car on a circular track. Option C is the right answer. Number 3. Which of the following graph represents uniform motion of a moving particle? Option B is the right answer because object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. So this represents uniform motion. Question number 4. The centrifugal force is a virtual force. Option C is the right answer. Second part, fill in the blanks. Speed is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity is a vector quantity. Second one, the slope of the distance time graph at any point gives speed. Third one, negative acceleration is called retardation or deceleration. Fourth one, area under velocity time graph shows displacement. Next, third part, state whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, the motion of a city bus in a heavy traffic road is an example for uniform motion. This is false. So we have to correct the statement. So motion of a city bus. So சிட்டியில் வந்து பஸ் வந்து டிராஃபிக் இருக்க சொல்ல ஸ்லோவாக போவோம், ஸ்பீடாக போவோம். ஸோ ஸ்பீடு வந்து வேரி ஆகும். அப்போ அது வந்து நான் யூனிஃபார்ம் மோஷன். இங்கே வந்து கொஷினில் யூனிஃபார்ம் மோஷன் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. ஸோ வி ஹாவ் டு ஆட் த வேர்ட் நான் யூனிஃபார்ம் மோஷன். Next, second one, acceleration can get negative value also. This is true. Third one, distance covered by a particle never becomes zero, but displacement becomes zero. Yes, this is true. Next, fourth one, the velocity time graph of a particle falling freely under gravity would be a straight line parallel to the x-axis. It won't be a straight line. Straight line இருக்காது, parallel இருக்காது. இது வந்து inclined இருக்கும். That straight line is inclined to the x-axis. Next, fifth one, if the velocity time graph of a particle is a straight line inclined to x-axis, then its displacement time graph will be a straight line. Yes, this is true. Next, assertion reason type. We have to mark the correct choices. They are given 4 choices. We'll see one by one. First one, assertion reason type. The accelerated motion of an object may be due to change in magnitude of velocity or direction or both of them. Yes, this is true. Reason, acceleration can be produced only by change in magnitude of the velocity. It does not depend the direction. No, this acceleration also depend on the direction. So this is false. So assertion is true, but reason is false. So according to that, option C is the right answer. Assertion is true, but reason is false. So option C is the right answer for the first assertion reason type. Second one, assertion, the speedometer of a car or a motorcycle measures its average speed. The speedometer measures the instantaneous speed, so not average speed. ஸோ ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட டைமில் தான் ஸ்பீடை மெஷர் பண்ணுமே தவிர ஆவரேஜ் ஸ்பீடை மெஷர் பண்ணாது. அப்போது அசர்ஷன் வந்து ஃபால்ஸ். Then reason, average velocity is equal to total displacement divided by total time taken. Yes, this is true. ஆனால் இந்த ரீசன் வந்து அசர்ஷனுக்கான கரெக்ட் இல்லை. ஸோ ரீசன் டசன்ட் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் அசர்ஷன். ஸோ அக்கார்டிங் டு தட் ஆப்ஷன் டி இஸ் த ரைட் ஆன்சர். Assertion is false but reason is true. So D is the right answer. Assertion itself false. So அதனால் வந்து reason வந்து explain பண்ண முடியாது. So assertion is false but reason is true. So option D is the right answer. Next, third one, assertion, displacement of a body may be zero when distance traveled by it is not zero. So displacement of a body may be zero but distance will not be zero. Yes, this is true. Reason, the displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. Yes, this one also true. Then one more thing, this reason explains assertion. So option A is the right answer. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A is the right answer. Next part, match the following. The following, list 1 and list 2. First one, the motion of a body covering equal distance in equal interval of time, that is uniform motion. In uniform motion, velocity is constant. So according to that, for first one, option D is the right answer. Velocity time graph, the velocity should be constant. Second one, motion with non-uniform acceleration. For second one, option C is the right answer. Next, third one, constant retardation. The constant retardation represents option A graph. Next, fourth one, uniform acceleration, that is second one, that is option B, is uniform acceleration. Thank you, students.